There you go. So we have 2, 4, 6, 3, and 1. The duplicates are removed. In this tutorial, I'm going to talk to you guys about another important structure in Python called tuple. Tuples are similar to lists, so we can use them to store a list of items. But unlike lists, we cannot modify them. We cannot add new items. We cannot remove existing items. We say tuples are immutable. We cannot mutate or change them. Let me show you. So I'm going to start by defining a list of numbers, 1, 2, 3. So we use square brackets to define lists and parentheses to define tuples. So if we change this to parentheses, 1, 2, 3, now we have a tuple. So if we type numbers dot, look here, we don't have the append or insert methods. So we cannot add new items to this tuple. We also don't have remove, clear, and pop. We cannot remove any of these items here. We only have two methods, count and index. We use count to count the number of occurrences of an item and index to find the index of the first occurrence of an item. So we can only get information about a tuple. We cannot change it. And by the way, these other methods that you see here, they start with 2 underscores. We refer to these as magic methods. They're more of an advanced topic, so they go beyond the scope of this tutorial. If you're interested to learn about them, you can get my Python course. I've covered them in detail. So similar to lists, we can access individual items using square brackets. So we can get the first item like this and then print it on the terminal. There you go. The first item is 1. But if we try to change the first item, we'll get an error. So numbers of 0, we set it to 10 and run our program. There you go. We get this type error because the tuple object does not support item assignment. So we cannot mutate or change tuples. They are immutable. Now, practically speaking, most of the time you'll be using lists, but tuples are also useful. If you want to create a